Hi guys, today I will show you how to make a simple program that makes your computer speak when you turn on your PC. So guys, to make your computer greet you when you start your computer, first take Notepad. On this type set space add equal to script dot create object. Inside the bracket, inside the double quotes, type sappy dot voice. Close the bracket. Remember to type the code as it is because we are saving this file as a VBS file. Visual Basic Script is case sensitive. Dim space bat. Instead of bat you can give any name because this is a variable name. On the first line we are creating an object named add. Instead of add you can also give any name. After this type add dot speak. Inside the double quotes type, here I am typing welcome to Infotech. Inside the double quotes you can type anything which you want to make your computer speak. So let's save it. I am saving the file as infotech.vbs. Remember to save the file with an ending .vbs, which tells your computer this file is a Visual Basic Script. So let's save it. Now you can see my file named Infotech on my desktop. So open it.
Welcome to Infotech.
After this, take my computer, C disk, search for start menu. Now you can see the file start menu. Open it, click programs, then startup. Let's move this file Infotech to this file. So when you restart your computer, you can see the magic. You can also increase the speed, volume and the pitch that your computer speaks by just going to control panel. Click appearance, then ease of access center, then start narrator.
Initializing narrator. Location.
Then voice settings.
Voice settings.
You can also increase the speed, volume as well as pitch. After setting, just click OK. Exit. Yes.
Focus on yes button.